Platin World is a global community of people who love innovative blockchain technologies. United by our passion for disruptive technologies, we're confident we can implement future innovations today. By maximizing the value of technologies, we transform our lives and make our dreams a reality. Today, the Platin World community is made up of hundreds of thousands of people from over 120 countries around the world. They build international teams, travel around the world, study new technologies, and acquire unique experience in developing their own business. By partnering with us, they earn large bonuses for their achievements, constantly learn new things, meet like-minded people, and get a chance to make their dreams come true. We invite you to join our global community, grow, change, and achieve new heights together with Platin World. How to make money with us. We'd like to introduce our partnership program, which offers 4 different types of bonuses with marketing payouts up to 70% of the total turnover. The first and second types of bonuses are direct and team bonuses. You can get them from 15 linear levels in depth, which include dynamic compression with marketing payouts up to 46%. Team Bonus allows our particular active participants of our partnership program to gain long-term benefits from their work by inviting active users to join their teams, offering the potential to earn hundreds of thousands of euros per month. The third bonus is our Rank Bonus, which is paid out for each new rank and can reach up to 14 million euros. Overall, there are 15 exclusive ranks in the system. The fourth and most significant bonus is Infinity Bonus. It's available to all partners with a diamond rank without any additional qualifications or limitations. And in addition to direct and team bonuses, it offers up to 23% from the entire depth and width of the structure for all partner purchases. The Infinity Bonus depends on the current diamond rank. The higher the rank, the higher the earnings. When inviting others to join the business, all partners earn money from their own work as well as the achievements of other team members. You can enter the business quickly and without significant expenses by buying a product for personal use from 110 euros. From this moment, you will start getting a 20% bonus for each personal recommendation. With successful monthly recommendations, you'll receive a 20% direct bonus each time. Can you build a business by starting with the smallest product? Of course. However, this option is better for people who would like to find out how everything works, testing out our products, and slowly developing in the business. For people who are serious about starting a business and achieving rapid growth, their purchase should be at least 1,100 euros or more. Remember that your team will repeat exactly what you're doing. If your purchase is from 1,100 euros and above, then most of your team members will also buy products from 1,100 euros and above. Basically, to activate a business, you can register and start completely free of charge. But in this case, you will have to work really hard, as practice shows that the invited partners will choose the same starter product as you. It's important to invite new partners at any level without any restrictions. For those who decided to build a big business right away, it's worth purchasing the largest and most profitable product. Any product purchase will be paid off over time in the form of minted coins. Whichever entry you choose, make sure to consult your mentor. They will help you get it right. By entering the business, you will become part of the team of the person who invited you. You'll get access to company training, the opportunity to participate in events, grow your career, and receive substantial leadership payouts. And this is a completely different level of money. You'll be able to travel around the world with your team. Joining is just the beginning. After that, everything depends on you, your goals, and what you're prepared to do to make them come true. The most important goal is to get started and reach the diamond rank. The diamond rank will open the door to super profits for you. On the path to becoming a diamond, you will consistently cover 5 areas as a partner. First, you use the product. Second, you tell people about your results, recommending the product in your circle and beyond. Third, you invite people into the business and build your own team. Fourth, you teach your team members to do what you're already doing, inviting and training others. Fifth, you reach the diamond rank and enjoy your life with respect, recognition, and an impressive additional income. You feel good about the opportunities you have to offer others. This is the secret. If you need guidance on entering the business, consult your mentor. Discover the limitless earning possibilities and choose what's right for you.